Join us this week as we head off to Silverstreams Caravan Park. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Right everyone, we are packed and we're ready to go.
We are going to Silverstreams in Underberg and we can't wait. Taking the kids and
and the feathery bird. Bye!
Cheers!
How beautiful is this, guys? Woohoo!
Look at these beautiful mountains.
All around us.
This is what the berg is about. Home at 1. It's supposed to be a 3-hour drive, but we're stuck behind 2 trucks. The first one took forever to pass, and potholes all over the road, and deep ones. So yeah, it's almost 5 o'clock. And we're not there yet.
Yo.
Sorry, this over here is Coco was putting her nose against the window, so that's why it looks so slobbery.
Oh, look at that. We're going to be literally right next to the mountains. Yeah. Nice. There we are, Silverstreams. Word, pass. Is there reception? Training hours.
In 600 meters, turn right onto unpaved gravel transport, then take the first lane.
Woke up this morning and this is what you get. Absolutely stunning. It was a cold night. Got the ablutions in the background there. It was a cold night, not gonna lie. We are really bush babies. We like the warm weather. So this is really very much a different scene for us. So yeah, we'll probably leave tomorrow. On account of the weather. But it is cold. But so beautiful. It's nice to have a couple of days here. Hey there, Pepper. Say hello, Pepper. Hello. Peppa? Peppa, baby. Nice and warm in here. Got the heater going there. And there's Lauren. She's still sleeping. She's very cold. And there's the puppies. They're still undercover as well. Where was Mom's gardens?
Lie in bed because it's cold.
Shame, baby. But a beautiful day outside. It's going to be nice today. Taking the puppies for a walk. Hey, baby.
Their favourite in the whole world.
Yeah, they get so excited when you say, come, let's go for a walk. Coco just keeps talking. So cute. And let's not forget, we've got Peppa here as well. Hey, Peppa. Kissy, kissy. Hey, kissy, kissy. Wave to the camera.
The sun is shining in my eye.
Say hello, bird. Hello, bird. Okay, we're here at Silverstreams trading store, Handelaar. Here we are, we're gonna go for a walk to the ablutions. This is the wash-up area. It's very sweet, cute. Got a little washing machine there, I think it is. Yeah. Here's the ladies' ablutions. Can only think that it looks very similar to the men's. Some more ladies and one for the men's. Very nice. Basins, urinal, showers. Private dressing area, toilets, more toilets, showers with the toilets, another shower, and another shower. I think there is a bath here somewhere. There's the bath. So if you feel like having a bath, defrosting in this cold weather, you can do that too. There's more campsites area over there, more campsites there. Some chalets back that side, bungalows. And this is more campsites area. And back there is the tennis court. It's very nice here, guys. Beautiful, and you're surrounded by the mountains. All the mountains. We were literally on the river here. So we had beautiful views every morning. Nice. Small campsites down there, and a play area for the kids.
Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed our video and our little walk through the campsite there. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Join us next week as Lauren cooks us a beautiful lamb curry.